Hello,
Hello,
I'm Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Stella. I'm 12 years old. My hobby is swimming and singing.
My hobbies are
My hobbies are swimming and singing.
good.
There are 4 people in my family. They are mom, dad, my younger sister, and me.
Good. Okay. Which city is this?
It's Tokyo in Japan.
This?
It's Hanoi in Vietnam.
This?
It's London in England.
And this?
It's New York in Australia.
New York in?
In America.
That's great. Okay, which city do you like?
It's Tokyo in Japan.
What's famous about Tokyo?
It's famous for Fuji Mountain.
Okay, that's great. Why do you like Tokyo?
I like Tokyo because it's beautiful and crowded.
That's great. Okay, let's talk about where you live. Okay, where do you live?
I live in Tamil City.
Tell me something about Tamil City.
The people is friendly
The
and
people are.
the people are friendly and helpful.
Okay, which province is Tamil City? Which province? Tamil is in?
Tamil is in Ninh province.
It's in Indian province. That's good. Okay, let's talk about your favorite sports. What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is badminton.
How often do you play badminton?
I play badminton in my free time.
Your free time. Okay, that's great. Okay, how many people play badminton?
There are 2 or 4 players.
4 players. Okay, what do you need to play badminton?
I need the court,
Shuttlecock, okay.
a racket and net.
Racket and
Net.
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 Shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock,
Racket
racket,
and net.
and net.
That's great. Okay, why do you like badminton?
I like badminton because it makes me healthy and happy.
Healthy and happy. That's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Be great.